Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prioritizing safety. Verify the exact pill name, active ingredient, and prescription status so you know what you're dealing with. Next, contact your prescriber and a lactation consultant to discuss risks and alternatives. Do not self-prescribe. While you wait for guidance, monitor your infant's age and health. Neonates and preterm babies need extra caution. Once you have professional clearance, make a plan with them for timing, observation, and documentation rather than guessing or improvising. Once cleared, implement the monitoring plan you and your clinician agreed on. Follow the recommended timing strategy and any suggested pauses around feeds. Make detailed notes of your baby's feeding amounts, weight trends, stools, sleep patterns, and temperament for the first 48 to 72 hours so you can report objective changes. Also, make sure you do not combine the drug with alcohol, other prescription meds, or herbal supplements without checking. Those interactions can change safety during breastfeeding. To finish the initial course responsibly, reassess with your prescriber at the agreed interval and be prepared to adjust or stop based on what you and the baby show. Make sure you know the key concerning signs: poor feeding, unusual sleepiness, breathing changes, rash, or unexpected weight loss, and act immediately if they appear. If you see problems, pause the medication, contact your clinician or emergency services, and document exact timing and symptoms so caregivers can make informed next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.